It's epic. Got the wires all done. Got just enough fuel in the carburetor. I don't have the fuel tank cleaned yet, so I just put enough fluid in to get it to start. Don't have coolant in. I got to fix the heater hoses inside the dash. Going to start her up. Be the first time it started in like, it'd have to be like 35 or almost 40 years. About 1991. That's it. Got a little bit of blue smoke, but I also put stuff in the cylinders to lube them up and all that kind of stuff, so we're looking good.